What's up, guys? So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, and then we're gonna you're gonna part your hair into two sections. The back piece will be for the clip-ins, and the front is where we're gonna do our micro braids. You want to make sure you pre-cut the hair off of the weave to add to your ends, and you also just section out your braiding hair. I always begin my knotless braids with my real hair first because you won't have any type of bumps or lumps at the top. And then you're going to slowly feed in each piece of hair behind your braid. Don't feed it in on top because you're gonna get a bump. You need to feed it in behind the braid for a smooth, seamless finish. I'll also be adding in some curly pieces to the braid itself as well. As you're braiding, you want to make sure you always add gel to the braid so it's smooth and you eliminate any flyaways. So now that we've completed this one braid, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of speed up the rest of the video because you guys kind of saw, a detailed version of how to do it. So I'll just go ahead and do everything else a bit faster. So I've completed most of the front of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to do one more in the front. Okay, now that I am done with the front, I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap and tuck that part away, and let's get ready to take our leaf out. So when parting your leaf out, you want to make sure you leave enough hair out to cover the track. I like to kind of test it, just place a track there, use it to cover it just to make sure, so you can always like adjust before braiding your hair down completely. So now for the back, you have a few options. You can do anywhere from 2 to 4 cornrows, you can do plaits, or you can simply even just smooth your hair back in one and do a very tiny bun. I decided to cornrow it because I do want this to be a protective style, and it's easier to clip the clip-ins on top of the cornrows because then it's not actually touching your scalp or anything. So now we're gonna clip the clip-ins in. My memory card actually got full, so that's why I have such a little bit of footage on this, but I have another clip-in video that I'll be uploading next week so you can see how to clip in extensions, but it's pretty easy anyway. So all I use to define the curls is just some water and some mousse. This hair is very manageable, just very like soft. It doesn't need a lot, and you don't want to use too heavy product in general, so the hair is just like, it'll just feel gross. You don't need a lot. Whatever you do, do not dip this hair, just put mousse because the ends are human hair. So if you dip it in hot water, it's gonna destroy the curl. So now I'll just be curling my leave out. This is completely optional. You can just like take your hair and like wrap it in the hair, or honestly, this just depends on your hair texture, because if your hair texture more so blends with this hair, then you don't need to do this. Or you can do a small plait, which I ended up doing as well, but there's just different ways to hide your hair with the weave. What's up everybody, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So Listen, your girl was really innovative today. Well, really I should say like a few days later, because I'm filming this like 2 days later. I had an initial like a basic style in mind, but then I've been torn because I've been wanting like the weave look, but I've really been craving, you know, box braids, that like tiny, kind of like Zoe Kravitz, Ryan Destiny braid look. But last time I did the Ryan Destiny braids, it took me like 10 hours and I just didn't want to go through that again, especially because I change my mind so fast and I like to pretty much change my hair like every 2 weeks. So I didn't want anything that's gonna take me so long and then I have to take it out. So long story short, I was like, what if I just braided the front and clipped some hair in the back? Now, keep in mind, if you know how to sew in hair, you can always sew in hair in the back, crocheting hair in the back. These are just like different alternatives, but pretty much the weekend was coming up. I was going out that night and I wanted something really, really fast, and I did not want to braid my whole head, but I still wanted that micro braided look. So here we go, here we are. I was done. I was just like, girl, you is innovative. Oh, one thing I want to throw in though, because I don't think I filmed this. So you guys know I curled the hair and I blended it in. I actually ended up like doing a little plait instead to secure it more. Let me see if I can like find one to show you guys. So like this. It took me about, I'm really trying to think, probably I'd say an hour and a half to braid the front and then about 10 minutes to clip in the backs. The hair I used for this is Nahara's Curls Texture Tula, which this is my first time actually trying Tula, but I was like, it would be perfect for this style because it's really loose. It's human hair as well because it doesn't get like matted or tangled or anything like that. I literally just wake up in the morning, spray it down with some water, apply a little bit of mousse for the frizz, and you do the same thing with the top. So that's just like a little maintenance tip. If it was synthetic, it probably would have gotten tangled and matted a lot faster. But yeah, so that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. And thank you guys for always supporting my videos. Wait, where's that? Okay.